Hello,
Hello, Natalia. How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm also great.
That's wonderful. How do I pronounce your name?
Ramzan.
Ramzan. Very nice to meet you, Ramzan. Could you introduce yourself?
Yes, I am a software developer, so working on websites, mobile apps, and I am doing the work as a freelancer. So I have my clients outside India, and I have to work on my English communication because this is the only language uh, which I am using with my clients. So I have different meetings, and there are a lot of stuff. I mean, they have some type of documentations to read, and also give them the reports. So in order to manage all the stuff, so I must have the good communication skills. So I am working on my fluency, working on my pronunciation. So yes, everything I am trying to improve related to English.
Very good. Well, so far, your English sounds very good. Yeah, I
Yes, actually,
understood you perfectly.
I am working on it from last 1 month.
Oh, wow. So for 1 month, you've been working on your English. That's pretty good for only 1 month.
Yes.
Okay,
So
so what would you like to talk about today?
actually, I am working on actually, I am nowadays focusing on understanding the things like connecting with different people. So understanding their different accents. Just wanted to know about your culture and any specific type of incident which can help me in my career that you can think that that can help me out. So yes, you can share that type of things.
Okay. Well, my name's Natalia. I live in Alabama. Now,
Uh-huh.
here in Alabama, people usually talk with a Southern accent. I
Uh-huh.
don't have a real strong Southern accent, but that would be cool because that would help you. But I don't have a strong Southern accent. But we do live in the South. There are tornadoes, bad rain, weather. I am half Dominican and half Puerto Rican. My father
Mhm.
was born in the Dominican Republic, so I'm fluent in Spanish. We have a lot of really awesome native dishes that we like to cook that are very delicious.
Uh-huh.
Let's see. I teach English and I teach Spanish. I'm just starting to teach Spanish. I'm actually making slides. I don't know how similar that is to web design, but it's a
So
lot of fun.
slides means you are using any specific technology using for making that.
I'm just using Google Slides.
Okay, so you have any other profession except teaching here?
I took a schooling and I just finished to be an AutoCAD drafter. So I
Okay.
use it's computer aided design for blueprints of buildings, AC units, electrical work, and things like that.
So that is related to mechanical engineering or civil engineering?
I can do drawings for both of those. I can do structural drawings, mechanical, civil drawings. Yes.
Yes, because yes, because I have my friends, so they were actually taking my support to install the software AutoCAD because they were saying that if someone is doing professional training in this, so they will be getting good job, and even they can also add in their resume. So that's why I heard about this AutoCAD.
Yeah, AutoCAD is very widely known and very widely used. So is Revit. Everyone wants Revit.
So you are working from home, or you are working for a company?
Right now, I'm just working from home. I haven't started working with AutoCAD yet. I
Uh-huh.
would like to do a sort of internship to practice
Okay.
more before I just get thrown into it.
Yes, yes, of course. Internship is one of the best thing because when you are facing any type of interview, so at that moment you must have a practical knowledge. So
Hmm.
internship is just adding a value in your profession because if you have done any specific internship, so that means you have implemented something practically. So
Hmm.
in that way, you can explain your project to the interviewers and all. Yes, that is important.
Hmm. Yeah, I agree with you. I have the knowledge of the software and reading the information, but
Mhm.
knowing and doing is completely different. So I'd like to be able to do before I get a real stable job in it. But it's
Yes.
fun.
So you mean your dream is to get a good job, right?
Mm, I don't know if that would be my dream, but it'd be nice to do something that I enjoy.
So, I mean, what's your dream? Your dream is related to your profession, or that is somewhat different?
My dream is actually more related to my religion.
Okay. So, what's your
Yeah.
religion, Christian?
Sorry?
Your religion is?
I'm a Christian. I'm a Jehovah's Witness.
Okay.
Yeah. So I go and I teach people about the Bible, and I
Mm-hmm.
would like to do that in other countries and in different languages.
Okay. So, your passion is to become global speaker. I mean, religious person. There is a
Missionary
word.
is the word.
Yes, yes, yes. That is important. Of course, there are a lot of people who are working internationally from India also. So
Oh.
they are like a preacher.
Mm-hmm. Wow,
Yes.
very good. I have a lot of friends who've gone to different countries like
Mhm.
Costa Rica. They've gone to, I have friends in Italy, Guatemala, different places. There's a lot of need for English because now so many people all over the world speak English, but
Yes.
also Spanish is one of the top languages. Chinese is very popular. I'm not going to try that though. That's very difficult.
So currently you are working on Spanish and English, right?
And sign language, American Sign Language.
Okay. So your accent is American accent?
I think so. I grew up in America,
Okay.
but it's very plain because in America you'll hear different accents from different areas, but I think my accent is very plain.
Yes, because in America there are the words like water, bottle, right? World, girl. So yes, yes, a lot of
Mhm.
people who are, I mean, like England, and there are other countries. So I talked with them, and they were saying that we are speaking little flat. We don't like the accent of America. That is
Oh,
water,
that's
bottle, and
funny.
all. So I like to improve my pronunciation in such a way that I could achieve the American accent actually.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yes.
really? Honestly, because I grew up in America, I don't really know what constitutes the American accent, but a lot of people talk about it. But I know that in the South, they kind of talk like this, like kind of and in more of the North, they have a different accent also. So I don't know what's the perfect American accent, but
Yes, actually, you don't know because you are living there, and I am
Mhm.
watching the YouTube videos. So, of course, the person who will be teaching us, so that person must be an using an American accent, right?
Yes, exactly.
So, yeah, yeah, that's great. So, are you using any specific software to learn the accent, like not English but Spanish?
Well, I also grew up speaking Spanish. So
Oh,
it's my second language, but I've grown up since I was little speaking Spanish. But I was very close to Mexico, so I stick more to the Mexican accent.
okay, so you mean that it was easier for you to adopt both these languages, right?
Yeah. I
So
still
that's why.
struggle a bit with Spanish, but
Uh-huh.
it's easier than say a beginner would be with Spanish. I know Spanish
Yes,
pretty
yes, because you was living in that environment, so it was becoming easier for you because you have to use all those words on daily basis, right?
Yes, exactly. That's
But
exactly right.
yes, yes, and yes, of course. So nice talking with you. So I will be booking another class with you definitely. But yes, I learned a lot from your culture, which you explained to me.
Great. It was
So,
nice to meet you, Ramzan. I can't wait to
Yes.
see you again.
Okay.
Have a
Thank
good
you,
day.
Natalia.
Bye-bye.
Bye.